back. I'm here today to talk to you about FastPasses at Walt Disney World. With your Disney vacation package, I am able to make FastPasses up to 60 days in advance for prime rides like Splash Mountain, Space Mountain, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at the Magic Kingdom. Those are things that you're going to want to have FastPasses for. Now in Epcot, there's rides like Soaring, Test Track, Frozen Ever After. Those type of attractions you will definitely need FastPasses for. At the Animal Kingdom, Everest, and you're going to need a FastPass to get into Pandora. Rock and Roller Coaster is a great attraction in Hollywood Studios. Also, Toy Story Land. All of those rides you're definitely going to need FastPasses for. Now, choosing FastPass selections, especially in Epcot, you can only choose one experience or another. Like if you want to do Test Track and Frozen Ever After, those are two classified experiences that are in the same category, so you can only choose one or the other. And I will let you know which ones you can choose from. In different parks, there's different selections that you can ride one or the other. Like you can ride Toy Story Mania at Hollywood Studios, or you can ride the Slinky ride with a FastPass. You can't choose both for a FastPass attraction. Now, when you don't get a Disney vacation package, but you still buy your tickets ahead of time and you're off Disney property, you are able to get your FastPasses 30 days in advance. Buying tickets the day of in the parks are $109 per adult at the parks. And if you want to get FastPasses that day at the parks, it is all based on availability. So if there's no availability left on your favorite ride, most likely you won't be able to get a FastPass. You'll have to stay in line for at least an hour, up to 3 hours for things like Flight of Passage in Pandora. So let's go to the parks and check out how you use a FastPass.
And this is Aladdin's Flying Carpet. And we tap our magic band to the FastPass entrance, and then we can all enter in the shorter line than the longer line on the other side. So let everybody know. Okay, he doesn't have a ticket.
That's all right, Harrison? No.
Okay, put your band up there. Good job.
Green is good.
Okay. There we go. Put your band up there. Perfect. Good job. Good job.
Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on Disney FastPasses at Walt Disney World. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Adventures with the Viveros, and stay tuned for more videos.